Price leadership. Price leadership is an economic model where a dominant firm initiates price changes and the others in the industry follow the leader. The leader communicates price changes through speeches, press releases, or articles in trade journals. One result is infrequent price changes, since the leader is never certain that the other firms will follow, and there is always the threat of a price war. Oligopoly and advertising. In differentiated oligopolies, advertising is the best way to communicate a firm's product differences. Product improvements revealed through advertising can be successful in increasing market share and revenues, because product innovations are more difficult to copy by a competitor than a price change. Oligopolists are financially able to advertise due to economic profits earned in the past. Advertising is a low-cost way of providing information to consumers about different options, and it reduces the consumer's search time for products. Advertising also enhances competition between firms and thus aids in economic efficiency. It speeds up technological progress by introducing new products. Advertising can help firms obtain economies of scale by reducing long-run average costs. Oligopolists have substantial financial resources with which to support advertising. Here are the largest advertisers in the United States in 2014. Negative effects of advertising. When advertising either leads to increased monopoly power or is self-canceling, economic inefficiency results. The world's top 10 brand names in 2015. The brands identified here were based on the 4 criteria of brands' market share, world appeal across age groups and nationalities, customer loyalty, and the ability to stretch beyond the original product. Oligopoly and efficiency. Oligopolies are inefficient. Productive efficiency is achieved by producing in the least costly way and is evidenced by where price is equal to minimum average total cost. Allocative efficiency is achieved by producing the right amount of output and is evidenced by where price is equal to marginal cost. And our key point in this presentation is that neither efficiencies occur in oligopolistic markets, and that's our key point. Foreign competition has increased rivalry in oligopolistic industries. If the oligopolistic leader practices limit pricing, we may get lower prices. Oligopolies may foster more rapid product development because of the competition in the industry, and with the firm's profits, they have a means to invest in new technologies. Internet oligopolies. The Internet became accessible to the average person in the mid-1990s. Today it is dominated by a few very large firms such as Google, Facebook, Amazon, Microsoft, and Apple. Google grew to be a near monopolist in search, Facebook advanced to a near monopoly in social media, Amazon has established a near monopoly in retail, Microsoft has held a near monopoly in PC operating systems and software. Apple has dominance with its devices that run on Apple operating system. These very successful technology companies are now competing outside of their respective sectors with each other in the quest to increase revenues and satisfy investors. They compete for revenues collected from advertising, and they compete by designing new consumer electronic products. This has led to a very competitive environment.